Hey there, welcome back to Cool Gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of home baking with the ultimate bread maker, featuring a non-stick ceramic pan and digital touch panel. If you're a bread enthusiast looking to elevate your baking game, this could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. The KBS automatic bread machine offers 17 practical programs for French, whole wheat, kneading and fermentation, jam, yogurt, cake, and more. It also includes convenience features like a pizza dough setting and gluten-free program. The machine can bake 1 pound, 1.5 pounds, or 2 pound loaves with 3 crust settings in light, medium, or dark. The non-stick ceramic pan ensures even baking and easy cleaning, while the 710W powerful motor kneads the dough quickly and effectively. The machine also features an intelligent fruit and nut dispenser, a 15-hour timer, and a 1-hour automatic warm fresh keeping function. Thanks for watching our overview of the KBS automatic bread machine. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Cool Gadgets for more kitchen gadget reviews. See you in the next video.